Good morning, student. Today I am here with a new topic, that is the remainder theorem. I know that you don't know about the theorems because you not learned about the theorems. So this is very new topic for you. So let's discuss what is the theorem first. So theorems are the proven statement. They are already proved. So theorems are proven statement which we are using in mathematics to help us. With the theorems, our efforts being reduced. So this is the first theorem. The name of this theorem is remainder theorem. And what is saying the remainder theorem? Let's see. Remainder theorem, according to the remainder theorem, if let px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. So px is any polynomial of degree greater than or equal 1, and let a be any real number. A is any real number if px is divided by linear polynomial x minus a. So, according to this theorem, if we divide any polynomial px by another polynomial x minus a, then remainder will be p of a. We know how to find p of a. So simple, in general, we can say according to remainder theorem, if we divide any polynomial px by x minus a, then we get the remainder p of a. So with the help of this theorem, no need to divide this both polynomial, directly we get the remainder. With the help of remainder theorem, in one step we can get our remainder. So I repeat the remainder theorem again. According to remainder theorem, if any polynomial px is divided by another polynomial which is linear, it should be linear. So if px is divided by another linear polynomial x minus a, then remainder is p of a. So let's see how to implement this theorem. So example is, with the help of example we understand this theorem. So if px is any polynomial, and polynomial के लिए condition क्या है, the degree should of this polynomial should be greater than or equal 1. So जो given polynomial होगा उसकी degree हमेशा greater than or equal होनी चाहिए 1 से. So we have one polynomial p of x और डिग्री इसकी कितनी है 4. सो इफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल px इज डिवाइडेड बाय एनी अदर पॉलिनोमियल, लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल x माइनस a इज अ रियल नंबर, कोई भी एक नंबर होगा यहाँ पर a. सो डिवाइडेड बाय x प्लस a. If px is divided by x plus a, then we have to find the remainder. So remainder क्या होगा? Remainder होगा p of a. p of a. अब यहाँ a क्या होगा? a कैसे find करेंगे? So finding a, we put this linear polynomial is equals to 0. So x plus a is equals to 0, then x is equals to minus 1, means a is equals to माइनस 1. ए की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? माइनस 1. देन वी पुट दिस ए इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 1. ये x की जो वैल्यू है x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 1 इन दिस पॉलिनोमियल. सो p of minus 1 is equals to, we know how to solve, सो इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे. सो वी गेट 4. सो p of -1 is equals to 4. So this the value of p of a is our remainder. Means if we divide this polynomial by x plus 1, then remainder is 4. Remainder is 4. Look some other example. So if this polynomial p of x, x to the power 3 plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1 upon x. So अगर हम इस पॉलिनोमियल को इससे डिवाइड करेंगे देन व्हाट इज़ द रिमाइंडर. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ रिमाइंडर थ्योरम वी कैन डायरेक्टली फाइंड आवर रिमाइंडर. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड a. So first we put this x minus 1 upon x is equals to 0. So we get the value of x. X is equals to 1 by 2. Now p of x is given and we putting x is equals to 1 by 2 in this equation. So we get p of 1 by 2. x की प्लेस में हमने पुट किया है 1 by 2 x to the power 3. 1 by 2 x to the power 2 plus 3 1 by 2 plus 1. Now solve. So 1 upon 2 to the power 8 plus 3 1 upon 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Now get the LCM of all these 3. So we get LCM is 8. Now solve this. So after solving we get our answer 27 upon 8. Hence the remainder is 27 upon 8. So remainder is 27 by 8. So with the help of remainder theorem we can find the remainder. Just we have to find the value of x. x की जो value है उसको आप p of x में पुट करिए. जो वैल्यू हम फाइंड करते हैं दैट इज़ द रिमाइंडर